Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3, just a real quick video. I started thinking, if you wanted to alter the shape of this circle, you'd have to start over. Well, you don't if you clone it. I'm going to make sure I just got one copy there. I'm going to go to Edit and Clone. And then I'm going to click on the rotation and put it in the center. And I'm going to rotate that 15 degrees. And then I'm just going to Control D. Otherwise, I actually went too far. In this case, it does matter. There we go. So I can get rid of my boxes now. And if we look, this is a clone curve. This is a control curve. So as long as you don't move the nodes, you can make this steeper. You could actually alter it like that. It's pretty cool. I wonder if we can take this node and what we can do with it, make it symmetrical and make it, well, you're going to make, and see this way, you could actually make it go back out in a way. But with the clone, there's a lot you can do with it. I mean, you could even move that node, make you a whole different shape. Pretty cool, the clone tool. I mean, you could go way in, make stars, give a little alter. You can actually add nodes to this clone curve. Get the shape tool and double click on it. And let's do this. Look at all the sides doing that. Do the other side. You don't want to get too far, and you can always right click and turn that into a cut, and that way only one handle will move. I mean, look at, you would take you a long time to make that shape if you didn't know what it looked like when you were starting, because you'd have to rotate it. Anyway, hope that just gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.